cloud miners. In my comments section, I had a request to review ZBD. ZBD is a Lightning wallet that's been around for a long time, and it's not a normal cloud miner, but there are some ways to earn some sats that are better than a lot of the cloud miners that are actually out there. And in my world, if there's an easy way to find some Bitcoin, I feel like I should show it off to y'all. So the first easiest thing is if you go to the community tab on the bottom and scroll down a little bit, you'll see quick earn. Watch a video, earn 5 sats. You're able to do this 10 times a day, and it's an easy 50 sats with no investment. So let's take a look at my rewards. And you can see quick earn, 5 sats, all the way down. I've been doing this a few times just for the video. Really easy. And there's another really easy way to earn some sats. So on the main screen, the main home screen, just scroll down a little bit, and you'll see that they have a daily streak. So every 3 days you answer a quiz, you'll gain 20 sats. Really easy as well. And as far as the next part, I don't really go over apps where you have to play games to earn Bitcoin or earn crypto, earn money. I just feel like it's a kind of a waste of time overall. There's more productive things you can do. You know, watching an ad, you can multitask, you can do something else. If you're investing in something, you know, you're looking at a return investment, usually without having to watch ads. But that said, if you do want to spend some time on some Bitcoin, you know, maybe you're going to hold these sats and they'll be worth a lot more someday. They do have games where you can earn just for playing games. Next, they do have a pretty cool referral system. If you go to invite friends back in the community tab, you can see that in the United States, if you use somebody's referral code and verify your identification, you receive $2, and your person who puts your invite code in also receives $2. So I have that invite code in the description. So if you decide you do want to use this, it's a free and easy way to support the channel. Also, if somebody uses your invite code, you can see that they must sign up using your ZBD invite code using the referral link, the $2, and then for everything you earn, I'll earn another 20 to 30% depending on how many invites I get. So like I said, if you're looking for a free and easy way to support the channel, easy way to do it. Greatly appreciated. But at the end of the day, this is a Lightning wallet, and a Lightning wallet is good and bad. It means that you can send and receive Satoshis with a very low fee to no fee. ZBD has a little bit of a fee, which we'll go over in a bit. But the con is that you can't exactly sell it to an exchange. So if I wanted to cash this out, I couldn't do that. So I'm going to do a withdrawal to a Coinbase wallet just for a tutorial. So you can see in my wallet tab, in my ZBD wallet, I have 13,000 sats. I'm going to go at 12,000 just to make sure I have enough with the fee. So my Coinbase wallet, we're going to go into our Lightning address. I'm going to put 0.00012 for 12,000 sats. We're going to copy our invoice and head back to ZBD. We're going to click send. We're going to click the QR code on the top right. And then after pasting our address, you'll see there's a fee of 120 sats, which is 1%. So then at this point, we're going to slide right. And just like that, seconds later, you can see the 12,000 sats sent directly to my Coinbase wallet. So ZBD's around to stay, obviously. It's more of a wallet. But if you didn't know about collecting those 50 sats a day, you should definitely be doing that, especially if you're somebody who just goes into this for free options. And obviously, if anything changes with ZBD, I'll update you all as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps, and even things like this, any way you can gain some Bitcoin, and break them down as well as I can. And as I said before, if you want a free and easy way to support the channel and haven't been using ZBD, I have the referral link in the description. Costs you nothing and is greatly appreciated. And if you find value in these videos, I have memberships available for 99 cents a month. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps. So when you do buy a membership, it goes directly to the channel and it's greatly, greatly appreciated. Really does make my day. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching. And until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.